Yes, we have fallen victim to the carpet tiger. That is a 13-month-old, should have known better, Scottish Terrier. 2 remotes that came with our camper. One is for our beautiful, what is it, Tootsie Toaster? Space heater / fireplace. And the other one was the Jansen radio control to our Jansen radio.
Brand new.
Brand new. Brand new.
Just got it at the rally.
Since then, we have decided that he has a personal vendetta on anything black plastic. Since at home, he also did an Alexa remote and about 4 pairs of reading glasses. So what to do about these weird little remotes? Well, if you're in Alliance, you panic and then you go on the online for the owner's manuals, and thankfully, it's on the inside of the fireplace. The brand, it was super easy to figure out how to replace this one. And this one turns out, well, I'll show you. Turned out it only took me 20 minutes to find the replacements. And no, they're not on Amazon, unfortunately. But it turned out to be just as good. Johnson Supply carries all things fireplace accessories. It was here in 3 days. And this one is a common remote at remotes.com. There is such a thing as remotes.com. And both of them were less than $10. So, we're going to open up the envelopes and see if they work. So the first one we're going to open up is the one from remotes.com. And it came in, I'm not kidding, UPS 3 days or something like that. And yes, it's exactly the one I needed. You can tell just by looking at it. big difference. So that'll be the Jansen. And it works.
Yep.
Right out of the package. Love it. Alright. Number 2, which I was much more worried about, is from Johnson's Surplus LLC. And they are a RV supplier. A family-owned business. And all of it was, I ordered it all online. Didn't have to talk to a soul. Couldn't have been easier. Put in the model. Came right out. Ugh, sticky. And there's no invoice. Same remote. Yeah, so, you know, if you have small children, or if you're like us and you've already lost the remote once speaking in the theater seats, maybe you want a second one. I pull out the thing for battery. Great, I love that because that means the battery's not getting worn down. And
voila.
Few things in life are this easy. Seriously, this easy. So, yeah, that is fantastic. So, remotes.com and Johnson's Supply, RV Supply, we'll put the links below. Happy traveling, everybody.